Climate change threatens the future of the banana export industry. I want to talk about this article because there's some pretty big picture type stuff in here. First off, the research found that by 2080, so just a little over 50 years from now, many areas today that really rely on exporting bananas won't be able to effectively do that. That's a big deal because banana crop exports today are worth $11 billion. And in just over 50 years, 60% of the regions that are doing that, relying on that, they probably won't be able to anymore, not unless we are able to help anyways. And that's where I want to kind of dive deeper here, because there are a lot of interesting parallels to our animals as well, and the losses that we are going to be seeing with our animals over the next 50 to 100 years. So like with these bananas, typically animals and plants, they can just adapt. They can move north and south, east and west as the climate changes. They're able to do all right. Some will go extinct, but the majority are able to migrate. Our current planet, it's no longer feasible. Humans have broken that function. And because of that, we may have to do some things that a lot of people would rather not do and aren't comfortable with doing and wish we didn't have to do, like what they're talking about right here, which is essentially assisting the evolution of these plants to help them adapt to the region more quickly. With that being said, while many regions will see decreases, there will be some areas where they are able to potentially grow more bananas. They mentioned Ecuador and parts of Brazil, but they are greatly outnumbered by the regions that will be losing that ability. So on this map, red is losing the ability, blue is pretty stable, and then green is that addition where it's actually better for bananas. But you can see a warming planet for bananas, net negative. So if you like bananas, I don't know, it's something to think about.